Hi everyone, I'm Meg Tucker from Cook with Meg, and today I'm going to show you my favorite egg salad recipe. It starts with 3 or 4 hard-boiled eggs. We need to now give those a mash. So pick your weapon of choice. You can use a potato masher, which gets it kind of one and done. You can use a fancy tool that kind of chops, breaks, mixes, or you can use a fork. Don't worry if you go to make an egg salad and you have a little bit of soft on the sides. It's not the end of the world. All right, now that we have that chopped up, we need to start adding in the good stuff. So of course you're going to need a little bit of mayonnaise. I like to use full fat mayo. You can use mayonnaise or a salad dressing. Again, it's whatever you prefer. I always add in a tiny bit of Dijon, like a half a teaspoon, even a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon. I find it just gives that egg salad an extra delicious little zip. What else do we need? Ooh, one of the things I love putting in my egg salad is a little dill. So to complement the dill, you could also cube up and put in a little bit of dill pickle or a little bit of relish. Delicious, sweet pickle or dill pickle would work. Then we're gonna put a pinch of salt. I've got some fresh chives from the garden, so I always have my kitchen shears handy, saving you from a cutting board and a knife. Just snip in those fresh chives, a little bit of pepper, and then we're gonna give that a stir, like so. And there you have it, an amazingly simple egg salad with a little taste of the garden. It's got the zip from the Dijon. Perfect on toast. You could put this on crackers. You could eat it morning, noon, or night. That is so delicious. For this recipe, for all your how-to videos, eggs.ab.ca. And to find more of me, you can head to cookwithmeg.com. Thanks, everyone.